Hey guys, my name is Mohammad Amir Haider Rizvi and welcome to Tech Unix. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to make a addition program in Scratch 2. So let's get started. First we will take the block when green flag clicked from the event section. Now we will say to the user that we will go to sensing block and drag and drop this block ask and let's change it name type a number. Okay, now we will go create a variable a. Okay, now let's drag and drop this set a to answer. When the user will type the answer will be stored in the variable a. Okay, now let's also create again a variable b and let's just duplicate this code, type another number and set b to answer. Then let's create again a variable sum. Let's uncheck this box again. Set sum to operation. Let's take the addition one. Go to data a and b. Set sum to the number plus a plus b. Then we will make the sprite say that say go to operators, drag and drop this block, say the sum is data and drag and drop the same sum. Sorry. Now let's click on the green flag. Type a number. Let's add 6 and 4. Then the addition should be 10. Okay, you can see the sum is 10. So now let's just make some changes in the program. The sum is and space. Now let's try it again. 4 plus 9 should be 13. Okay. Now you can see we have made a addition program. So this is for this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment my channel. Thanks for watching.